So this is another video on another altcoin which is Lina, and which is also known as Linear. Okay, it is a dot ecosystem coin which we are going to analyze on the USDT pair because I'm not getting enough data on the BTC pair. Okay, so here we go. We have a really bullish structure on the weekly time frame. Overall, if we look at the basics, we are currently in a reaccumulation zone. This was a rally. Okay, let me change the color it to white. This was a bullish rally. It made a huge wick, maybe because it's a small project. Okay, it is ranked at 270 to 250, I think, on the coin market cap. So it is a small project, so that's why it made a big wick. So after that, it has retraced to a level where it has started accumulating. This is accumulation. This is according to my experience, this is the accumulation zone. Okay, so what we have here is we have a ascending triangle here. You have a ascending triangle here which is ready to break up, and the target would be, the minimum target which I expect is $0.12 and this high 0.14. okay, this is the target for this ascending triangle. I'm not talking about the whole bull market, I mean the end of this quarter. Okay, it's see, it comes accurately at $0.12. And even if we take a Fibonacci extension from this recent rally, 1618 comes exactly at the $0.12. So how accurate it is. Okay, and if we talk about the biggest rally which we can expect it, it can easily give you 8 to 10x in my opinion. Why? The only factor which I'm looking into it is a coin of a dot ecosystem, and for the dot ecosystem, there are high chances that they are going to give you high returns because we have a huge catalyst for the dot, which is parachain in even for the KSM Kusama. And if that works out well, if dot goes into a discovery mode, price discovery mode, okay, like if it breaks its previous ATH all-time highs, it is going to go 100 to 120 and even to $200, which I've already explained in my last video. Then the coins which are participating in the dot ecosystem, they are going to give you multiple returns. They are going to give you multiple returns with respect to dot. Okay, if the parent is giving you 4 to 5x returns, the participants are going to give you much higher returns because they are running the ecosystem from the inside. Okay, and if we assume, let's take an assumption, how we are going to analyze it. We are going to take the Fibonacci from here to the top down. The first target would be 0.1618, $0.26. The second would be, the first target would be $0.26, second would be $0.4, and you can expect it to $0.5 also, which is around 10x from the current price. So I'm definitely going to add Lina in my portfolio right now I will also tell my premium members to add in their portfolio, because we already have dot from $18, $20, $25 and $30, but this is must. Even if you look at the same type of coins, like we have Tezos, even the coins which are in the ecosystem of Tezos, they are going to give higher returns than the Tezos is itself. Okay, we have Kalamint, KALA, it is a symbol, Kalam, KALAM, Kalamint, which is a Tezos ecosystem coin. It is going to give higher returns than Tezos itself. Okay, and even the quarter is again and again the biggest factor why crypto is bullish, why I am bullish on all the coins, because it is last quarter, it is going to be a blow off phase, and here you will get the massive returns. And people are texting me that why there is no bearish perspective in your videos, because there is no reason to be bearish at the bottom. Okay, and even let's take an example, it is almost a bottom formation, it is an accumulation phase. When it is going to break out, it will be a massive one, it will be a massive one. So that is the thing. And even if we look at the Lena, the coin market cap, it is ranked at 270, okay, as per the coin market cap. And also the market cap is only 228 billion million dollars, sorry, 228 not billion, 228 million dollars. I expect Lena to be under the ranking of top 100. It should get the market cap of minimum $1 billion. It is possible if we have a parabolic move on dot, it is surely going to give you higher returns. Okay, and on the BTC, see, I don't see any I don't have enough data on BTC pair, and that is the reason I'm not going to analyze it. Just focus on USDT pair. So that's it for Lena USDT, and we'll see you in next video. Bye.
Sink into the abyss of a new dark age, made more sinister and perhaps more protracted by the lights of perverted sorrow.